Ready to dominate your friend in FIFA 24 on the Switch? Let's jump straight into setting up a two-player match. From the main FIFA 24 menu, navigate to and select the kickoff option. This is your gateway to local multiplayer fun. You'll now be taken to the team selection screen. Notice the controller icons at the bottom. This is where player 1 and player 2 will assign themselves to a team. Have the first player press any button on their controller. A prompt will appear, confirming that controller 1 is assigned. Now, have the second player press any button on their controller. You'll see a similar confirmation, assigning them to controller 2. With both controllers assigned, each player can now choose their desired team. Cycle through the teams using the directional buttons or analog sticks on your controllers. Once both teams are selected, you'll be taken to the game settings screen. Here, you can customize the match length, difficulty, and other options to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the settings, hit the start button. The game will now load. Get ready to kick off. You're now all set for an epic two-player FIFA 24 battle on your Nintendo Switch. Now go score some goals.